In the meantime, we want to bring in Howard Lutnick. He is the CEO and chairman of Cantor Fitzgerald and BGC Group. Cantor, as you probably know, lost 658 employees and 61 euro brokers on 9/11. Howard lost his brother. Howard came back in and rebuilt Cantor Fitzgerald. And Cantor has actually turned this day into one of charity at this point. And Howard, we just want to say thanks for being here today. We are all thinking of you.
Thanks. It's it's such a tough day. So what we've done is we've tried to turn it into something beautiful. All our new employees, they all waive their day's pay today, and our clients get together and we try to make it special. Lots of celebrities come, and we raised last year $12 million for charity, and I hope this year we do better.
Who do you have coming in this year? Every year, a lot of celebrities are there. Every year, you guys have people who are really working very hard to make sure this money's raised.
So Matthew McConaughey, Nicole Kidman, and Keith Urban, Charlize Theron, Kenan Thompson, lots of athletes. The Rangers and the Knicks are in town. Just sort of every President Clinton always comes by. So we cover everything. We do this in London. We do it around the world, and you see these offices behind us, the brand new offices. So obviously Cantor Fitzgerald is on fire. We're doing great things. And, the company's gotten so much bigger. I mean, we had to commit to rebuild the company to take care of the families. But now the company's up to 15,000 employees globally. So wow. It's come a long, long way.
Yeah, that's great to see. Howard, let's talk a little bit about what you're seeing right now, just in terms of where the money goes. It's changed over time, the charity that you're bringing in, and now you're reaching out to a lot of different charitable organizations and giving back some of those funds?
Correct. So we invite in about 150 different charities. There's a process that they go through, but we invite in 150 different charities. Remember, we started by taking care of the families of 9/11 victims. We gave them $180 million, took care of 10 years of their health care, and really made them a part of us. And now we've expanded it, 150 different charities. All the celebrities, they come as ambassadors to a charity, so they're helping raise money for a particular charity. And we try to give it to the communities where our employees work. Sort of be connected to who you are and who we are, and let's support the areas where our employees live, where they work, and what they care about, and what our clients, where they live, they work, and they care about. And it makes it sort of a very personal day. Tough day, of course, but very personal.
Yeah, very tough day. I hate to even bring up the questions to ask just what you're seeing in the broader markets at this point, but obviously it's something that has made Cantor bigger and bigger. As you do some of those things, what are you seeing in the markets? What do you think?
Well, when markets are tough, we need to, I say embrace the avalanche. So just this month, like literally just this month, we hired Eric Schmidt and Josh Schimmer. These are the two best biopharma, biotech analysts in the world. They've joined the firm. We hired Cole Bader and a team of 20 tech bankers. So the banking business of Cantor Fitzgerald is growing dramatically. Newmark, which is our commercial real estate business, we hired Doug Harmon and Adam Spees, and they are liquidating the Signature Bank portfolio. So just this last week, we announced $33 billion is being auctioned in Signature Bank loans, an incredible opportunity. You go to Newmark, by the way, if you go to newmark.com/Signature Bank, you can bid on those portfolios, and it is amazing. There are 14 different portfolios, and so that's an example. And then our last company, BGC Group, which is public also, Newmark is public, and BGC Group, think about it, all those treasuries that you were just talking about being issued, right? The $2 trillion new deficit this year. They're issuing treasuries, so much to trade, and that business is really doing incredibly well. Remember, at zero interest rates, there really wasn't a lot of trading going on. But now with interest rates back at 5%, 5.25%, the Treasury issuing up a storm. Volumes at BGC Group are doing great. Last quarter, up 13%. So I feel really good about what we've rebuilt. You can see behind us, these are our brand new offices, brand new. I mean, a month ago we moved in. So
where are you now?